Yeah.
I gotta show you this because you gotta try it. Once you start it,
Yeah.
hold this until it says act up there. Toggle back and forth from soft to firm.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
But once you shut it off, you gotta hold it again to reactivate it.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Ooh, this has a cushy seat. It's got the new iAct suspension, 8,000. QS shocks. No electric start. Got the suspension on firm. Let's try that out. Whew. Let's try medium first. Power's pretty smooth on it. Suspension does good. It's a much smoother, I wouldn't even say smoother, but much more gradual power delivery than my 800 HO feels like. This is again the ctec 8000. It's the first time I've ridden one, so pretty interesting. And then this has the QS3 shocks on it with the iAct, so it's a slightly different setup than the air shocks that are on the ZR6000. Now I got him on firm. Let's try that out. Yeah, it feels pretty good. I feel like in cats there's a lot more feeling in the front end than there is on most other sleds. I don't know if it's for better or for worse. It feels like it kind of pitches it left and right. But once you soften it up just a little bit, it kind of tones it down. The back seems to kind of make up for it. Dude's ripping this Bearcat. This one's got a really squishy seat on it. Much softer than the one on my 6000. This fucking Bearcat throws some shit up. What C1605 means. I don't know if it's like throwing a code or what, but would say this this 800 is kind of, I feel, a lot like Cat's last 800. It doesn't really have that snappy power down low that most 8s I've ridden have. It's a very gradual, almost like 600 feeling sled that kind of comes on hard in the mid-range and just takes off from there. So probably makes sense to continue to build an engine that is similar to what you already had to keep people happy. Shit. No, it's alright. You don't want to try an 800 out? Oh, it's fine. It's an 800, so you can adjust the suspension with this button here. It's pretty cool. You can, it'll just toggle back and forth. Alright, I did it earlier. There you go. So it's on medium. Click it left, it'll go to firm. Click it the other way and it'll go to soft. Yeah.